bra ya ba be bra yesini twa ne ne ete nye yesini twafo kwan yesini fa so eje yensem no ne yenka bi nhemu meko just twim for years back mpanyifo omo wo mbi ene ye be anu sibre ana kwan be fa so be resurrect no me sure say ye nyina hye ideas a be ba be si epo baby a chechire be yi me ko bra benado honorable senior adwuma no wa omu ache way back ache pa obetima my yi kakra bi ways I was starting sini be 2 minutes bi
I'm say fortunately me the sha se okumase na me kam
oh wow
sha se na me kam na me ka se sha se a me nka bi a connected concept no and I say connected ayi ye bebo banda ye ayi na
we na kasa movie no
yeah say the camera sisu
78 and I say 78 oh
then is
we could nyam jeba
oh 78 99
okay
me say 98 na afei no enya interest no wo
okay
nti oni Accra director bi me refini din kakra me kai ni dia me ka che oni ne omo collaborate ye na omo no mo de time ne asimu bye nti no wuntimi time ne asimu no you can now really classify as a like typical Ghanaian movie and I say movie. Yeah, do Kumasi all right, but almost everybody was imported.
Okay.
Most of them coming from Nigeria and say after time, you know, Papa interest and I hear Miss Evangelist Samuel Makusi Nyamiche. Say the interest a war at the animal course pa if you say who say ade we dey bibia say ye tue musi woni e me ni brese ye ya puntu e de beba asanteman mu no enye small na me answer na meto as me fa sa akwanya we na medi asanteman especially omo organize awards ne omo bo enkofo abaso me di omo ho ya pa because adina asa papa ne ye no
okay
ensunsanso a enya ewo asanteman so no osenka sabre ya ye kese papa ne ya fe na bona baso kese pa if say sadie na papa ne ye no se wo de toto ho a sebe apia menka pi no kura no impacta enya ye no enye bi na papa yi sini a o tigina ye so obema na gina wa asanteman mu no enya minim organization and as a corporate body impact pa omonya wa asanteman so no se ye kan pa menya shoti e benya organization bi aburo be me nsakwa omo make impact wa asanteman so chance papa no enti sa abaso body bi wo ho no ma na metra mo fidie so aka se papa ne yenhwehwe ne ne mfa amana
wow
me ba be si asem ne so ti papa ne hu se ade yi se ne sitie yi ade a sebe enye sika nko na obenya free
okay
ubetimi a build a whole empire
okay
ti omo ye we ni wie no ana omo ye omo adwense ne omo be ye bia omo be involve ekrom hafo no na wa hwese ne ebesi akọ ena omo de ye na omo di omo ye we no oni alatafo ne be ye asimo ne time no emu na omo ye expectations no
okay
expectations no expectations no na man no wa kran no finidi en kran ni man bi na ono ma fa ni se ono ne stake wo mu na so pa omo ye expectations nko expectation there was purely Ghanaian ama eche say a fire and omo say jewels enti jewels no expectation say omu show cinemas no papa Kumasi nipa nya baabi mpo
enyina
no makodi line to ticket
wow
so enti omu wie no omu be ye jewels no jewels so fire that time na Grace omo abo ma me dokun o jira ne nan so tie fire enti when nyina nkogu no no ye na adwe se ade die ke hu be hia se wa shase free Nigeria and wa fa bi wo encline enti se enka o ma Nigeria fo ni nyina nchen kakra ana se Nigeria no obefa ni bi anipa mienu miensa bi na instead of say obefa nkran fo no
odi Kumasi fo na be wura
no afa nkran fo so kakra bi no odi Kumasi fo so kakra e den ahyem ho are to ye no eno na ye de ye sini be friend remember your mother
okay it's no first movie
sa sini no ya mem
uko set so ba wa
ya ko set no from beginning of from the very first shot
wow
first shot of the production to the last shot of the production ya mem baby anka ye 3 ye ya me abamu na ye kodu almost omo me yenye
adai
twoba ase ntinka yenye kwatratra hona ye ne ye be express ayi ne ba ya PM ne ba PM ne fe ni chicken brain
yeah man
wudi ni pa ba ya o se debi ye kwa aduane ni ye be di aduane no dodo enti oyi ye fru nti o mu ko a na omo na ne edia yo emi say I don't know minim say chief ana mu ba ku na nya opportunity e de toothpick yi ni simba to no kwasi ni ne ba enu ani enti
sa time na stars ben na wo so sa time Kumasi na stars ben na gino mo na so
obi anya star wa apart from they tell me say ayi Kwame Osu ansa
okay
on the already no establishing no because the late nyame fa ne crazy na o radio so no sata mo GBC a obi anim ne voice obi anim Kwame Osu ansa but na
you omo face no
enti omo de ne ye you know time and on so say you sitie no unse first no na ye nheda especially ba Ghana ha no minim say na bia e bo apayo seseyo na ye mema na ye sini no na ye nheda ni mema wo enti unse Kwame ono de wo sitie no
odina so
the moment I appear TV so na boom he became an instant hit
wow
obi here no tisata na Kwame Osu ansa on na Kumasi based apart from ono and na Daniel Adele is the opportunity ye bibi and my who na Mr. Chumesi
okay
ti ade de o hwe mu pa mo hyase no Mr. Chumesi Kwame Osu ansa Mr. Chumesi Daniel Adele and madam for my schoolmates ono actually ono kan bi na ma mitimi every year sini me friend Kwabena Boache
okay
ono so ye time ni bi and I think the Morris so Morris ye bibi na PJ Joe ono de no or your crew member and na face so ye vice no so ka ayi or my friend say or your head of transportation nti momo ye we ni wie ye no ye remember your mother ni wie ye no then papa ni say oh ahoden ne wo na say it's that time no na interested in back because they almost started so mo call out ye be call out and obia person obey and then ye say ne jewels no be part 2 account
wow
and no ye the experiment ye nyina ye nkamoa
edu nyina wo ye experiment
jewels 2 there the experiment I say be far into jewels 2 na most of us ye nya chance me asarbedi akon awoya I think say Martha Joyce
ata
na hwan bi o Daniel Adele and guy back bi ane on so ye ne ye nyina na oka ho referee the oh George
okay
light skin guy George and Kwabena Semani Boateng
George of France
Debbie George but there was another George
okay.
Your friend George Kuntu Blankson
okay
yes
okay
and asari bi akunti ye was too no ye me a policeman me chief and ye police guys and George Susu ye lover boy you know ye was too ni we at least ye di candy a year remember your mother ye di chire sinini nyina
when you be ntwa
ye be ntwa but we had a really good experience ye hu sene the camera be see wa ube jina ho ube say so we had the opportunity and no be feel say and only one thing a boy papa because unya bi da unya any experience bi ada na when your opportunity no akotra ho no wo hu say na esi ye no efe obi ye no oye na anye ya because of our experience na ha no no asaye no foforo nti e ti wona ye hu say na mani ye say okay unse wuru wo fie na unko camera nim da ufi say me koye na metie ye be di matema na say you be very embarrassed but eno boy am ye hu bi enti ye you was too ni we no a bad out and it wasn't bad your performance was not bad and afi omo ti my friend say ye you was too we no na papa decide say no the way ni bad ye mu de e wo say yetimi and otimi organizing the penny before then now there were so many groups but no mostly no now a concert stage drama culture center yes so some of us somebody like Asaribidi Akon, Daniel Adele, Martha Joyce Atta, Gloria Ajiman, Anita Men and Raf Samau. They were coming from drama troupe. Okay. Chematin Playhouse ne Anochi. And the likes of me, Kwabena Semeni Boating, George Kuntu Blanksen, and Bill Nyamai. Okay. Some a car basic timer or no buy. Until no na ye enjoy maybe we were just fresh from school. And I don't know you interest to be and you perceive baby. Ye buy na ye benya you was too ni try then chief morning we mono ye show almost standard no the way almost see ahun kekana omo so boy say and they will also rope us into stage at the end and omo dey ko share stage nim enti na ya ko say Chematin Playhouse na aye training grounds for young. Okay. You know, Emma even cry no culture center no. Omubufu kakra. So because they felt say as omu training na ye dey akwa ko yesi. Omu nyam faso bia was so. Oh, I mean, it was there was a little bit friction there. Enti e hono yenya training power enti one yenya opportunity obi a yenim sini hu bibia yenya opportunity e de akire saa say na yesi from the beginning to the end and na two yesa be nya akonya ne ko gina ade no yankoda wo bi o yesa nya opportunity am ye bia ko wura stage no so sa active stage good enti say sini no yen koye ya de ye de every Thursday be and then afei ye training ye mu ze o afei ye okay ye betimi aye then almost started Chematin ye de ekoto bia ye ko minim school a yanko Ashanti region we went to every school in Ashanti region now check this out ti aye we afei ye feel say ye standard no was so kakra and then Miracle Films decided to say and your mamma Fagan and Nina Mununa, Yane, the men for the crazy, if man you nyabo, on the mind, almost all of us opportunity. I may be listening to also so he had time and patience for almost all of us because we'll be a yes in it. Now, be say no, but no, you'll be a nebufuntem, but oh, nyabo trema in then I remember and I'll never forget. Say, yeah, you try a scene. He tried to see me and he came to greet me and then chief said you guys will go far. That's what he said. And Miracle Films will say no. And we say, oh, pet, akonya ubenya Ghana ni. Ono na division say, of us will build the team. But at the end they say, enye easy say, who the oya bankroller. My friend say bia, Dada Santo, oh no bibi oya Dada. Na me ma ba be fan say bra, na me manage you. Also bra na me manage you. It will be hard say we say I said bia amadi me hear me want me contact me when bibi even though better so be more manage no. It was difficult for the man, but onya one of the till down me new director or Ghana ha Obeto Akwado friend Kenny Macaulay very good and very smart and you didn't hear it says anyway me nim say Mubeka ya oba akoko dampema choice
oba akoko dampema uso kania kra
yes yeah choice nti yeah choice na afi experience na by that time yeah choice jewels too about your choice any that day Santo come yeah that day we no na yenya huge number. And let me tell you another way say so hotel be was stadium so bolo your friend Diana hotel that hotel no iconic. You can never tell the story of filmmaking in Kumasi
without
abra almost hotel in iconic. Na ma mi bi ton Tiozafi o asa ma me send me what see aboa mkrofo no amafo so mo fa so mo fa me dey na me ye lucky madam for na me ka say ono no dey kan ye
bbb
boache boaten ono eja oyi sikani ba ti oka ti oba otimi fame do de bamba mo ba be sin ho but nkofo reform obedu ho a bia misika maame no oye TZ oba short ye nyina kama
wow
so enti eduana no na omo gata bi o ne enkata so enti obeba no gata ni ye nyina ye tafusa because stars no any penyifo ni wo hotel ni inside and ye gu gata na no sa enti ya ni aba be fro ti enu na director ni be jina odina ni hwemu sa was you come
wow
me you know how
and you feel me Bernard na chuchugo wa sini adwuma ene na wo start ya me sure so what say you see can be enye easy because way back at mo ka gata na otia no uchoma ka dem ko mu bua ye dey